details about the service of this company here in UAE.
Actually, we are mainly focused to Philippines and Indonesia. We start with 3 employees. Now we have 35 employees, more than 35 employees, and we have branch in Dubai, Al Ain, Musaffa, and Abu Dhabi.
Welcome everyone with your program Pearls of Union, who unveil the most successful story and person here in UAE. Today from Abu Dhabi City, we want to speak about Ludan Express Cargo, this company. Today we have with me Mr. Jishar, the Manager Director. Welcome, Mr.
Thank you.
We are so happy to meet you today.
Me too.
So please, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Jishar. I'm Jishar Teknetel. I'm from India, 42 years old. I born in India, state of Kerala, and my father name Mr. Moiduni and my mother Zainaba Moiduni.
We need now to know more details about the service of this company here in UAE.
Actually, we are mainly focused to Philippines and Indonesia. We start with 3 employees. Now we have 35 employees, more than 35 employees, and we have branch in Dubai, Al Ain, Musaffa, and Abu Dhabi.
So, Mr. Jishar, we need to know from your side more details what you have exactly for service in this company.
Actually, our customer, I told you, mostly Filipino and Indonesia. So, if they want to send cargo, first they will order the empty box. So, we will deliver to their doorstep. Then, once it will be complete, they will call us again to pick up the cargo. So, once we pick up the cargo, we will deliver to Indonesia or Philippines, their home doorstep. That is the service now.
Mr. Jishar, from your side also, we need to speak about the strategy for work. Any customer, what can he do to work with your company?
Yeah, actually they will call to us for they want to send cargo. So we will go to their house and we will do the packing. And once it will be done, we will send it to their country.
Now, after your experience, this work here in UAE, what do you think about this country?
This country is one of the best country for starting your own business, and of course the safety is important. Safety, they're giving safety for all, and for the business also the department, they're giving all now online service. Even the economic department, we can apply the license by online. We'll get within 2 days or 3 days, we'll get the license. So they're giving totally good service.
Mr. Jishar, we need from your side a motivation message for everyone who want to do this experience in the private business.
Be resilient, believe in yourself, do not give up, try your best what you really want to achieve in your life.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jishar, the Manager Director of Louisiana Express Cargo from Abu Dhabi City. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, also with Louisiana Express Cargo, now with Mrs. Luz, the CEO. Welcome, Mrs.
Okay.
We are so happy also to meet you today.
Okay, thank you so much for coming and be with us.
Please, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I am Luz Galvez from Philippines, of course. So I came here in Abu Dhabi when I was 23 years of age, but my career is not like directly at business, business organization, but I was in medical course. So when I came here, I was like working in the hospital, and I found out that it's not only the hospital you can do, or you can do some broaden your mind and broaden everything. So I tried to have a business. But making a business is not an easy way. It is like you will not think that you want to have business because your friend has business and it is improving. But you have to make sure that it is coming from your heart, not only in your mind or not only from your friends.
What do you think about UAE when you come, your first visit?
Yeah, when I came from when I reached in UAE, I was only like, I'm not going to tell you my age, but it was only the year 1988, and it's all, like more on water, like the Corniche. It's covered by sea, and then more on trees, and the building was so small, and it's looking like an old, old building. But unfortunately, 1988 until now, you can see the improvement of everywhere. The road has widened, the beach has been also widened, and everything is changed, yeah, I should say.
So when you think about business, so the first step, some challenge, some difficult for the first work for you, or the idea to do Louisiana Express Cargo?
No, actually, when I was working in the hospital, there was one who encouraged me to work with him. So I was working as a private nurse with him. Since he has some little business, so I encouraged myself, or just why I have to try, why I will not try. So since I'm a Filipino, and I was working before also in the hospital, and I was working in an office which is include like a certain cargo company. So I said, why I will not try myself? So I was a staff before for 14 years. So in God blessings, so I planned my own, because actually when you work, you have to work only like 5 years as a staff. So if you want to improve yourself, then you have to work. Then you have to think if that work is really good for you and it really comes from your heart. Otherwise, if it's not coming from your heart, it will not work.
So from your position, Mrs. Luz, what you can say about the service you have to do it here in this company?
Yeah, okay, the services we're offering, especially to all our kabayan, is that, of course, the cargo, okay? So we're offering Indonesia, India, and Philippines. So mainly we are on Philippine corridor because it's like mostly all Filipinos are sending cargo to their loved ones. So we try for that one. Then our services is, of course, we have to make sure that our cargo will be properly packed and sent to their loved ones properly, because this cargo that they send, it's coming from their sweat, coming from their sleepless night, just so that they can send it to their loved ones. So what we're doing is that we have cargo services, of course, and we are doing pick-up services. We are doing delivery of cartons. So like, for example, if the customer will call us and give their names and everything and order cartons, so we have to deliver it to them. Then by the time it will be finished, then they can just call back us and we will be the one to pick up their cargo. But to make sure that they will be knowledgeable on how to pack the cargo, because otherwise they will just pack everything and it will be on one container. So it should be properly packed, and the breakable one should be well arranged. That we have also to tell to our customer before they will pack.
Yeah. So Mrs. Luz, what do you think for the future for your company? What do you think maybe the future plan for you?
Yeah, the future plan, I mean, like, we are trying to expand, though we already like 50% expanding, because we have 4 branches.
Mm-hmm.
So we are having 4 branches. Our main office is in Al Falah. Then we are having Musafa, then Dubai and Al Ain. So it's the same services that we offer, cargo company and cargo services sending to Philippines. So what we are doing is that we are planning to expand more services. That it's not only for like Philippine corridor, India corridor, or Indonesia, but we're expanding to all countries. Mm-hmm. But though we already started, but because of our situation now, and it's difficult to send now in every country, something like that. So now the only movement now that we are focusing is Philippines and Indonesia, because that is the safest country that the cargo to be sent.
Wish you all the best, Mrs. Luz. From your experience here in this country and your work and your position in the business, what you can give for many person a motivation message for work?
Yeah, you see, especially to all my kabayan and to all other people who can receive these messages. So all I want is I can share with you my experience. See, I came here not a business-minded, but when I was small, I feel like to enter something like a very small business to buy and sell. So what I think is it's already, I have it in my heart. So when I came here, I was a nanny, working in a one family, and then since I have also a medical course, so I tried to apply in the hospital, and then I was very lucky enough, I was being accepted. Then as the time goes on, after 14 years of service and in the hospital as well, and as a private nurse, so I tried for a business. So what I can impart to all my kabayan or to all the people is, don't think about what you have now. Think about and plan for your future. It doesn't matter you are a doctor, it doesn't matter you are a nurse, it doesn't matter you are in high profile, but just try and try again. Don't afraid of failure, because failure is a part of success. If you fail, don't worry. You will be successful someday, because out of your failure, you will learn that much.
So, Mrs. Luz, we are so happy to meet you today, like a great example for businesswomen here in UAE. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much and have a great day.
Everyone, thank you so much. See you next week with Pearls of Union.